probably around the time I started listening to what we call pop music. And so the Everly Brothers were very popular at this point, and this was a great song that they had called Bye Bye Love. Remember this one?
1957.
All right, there you go. So this is, just at the beginnings of my, listening to pop music, and I like this song. So here we go. We're going with Bye Bye Love.
There goes my baby with someone new. He sure looks happy, I sure am blue. He was my baby.